Welcome to Mari Channa Reddy Institute of Human Development here. MCHRD is one of the premier training institutions in the country. We are located in the midst of Hyderabad in Jubilee Hills. We've got a sprawling 90-acre complex with all training facilities, including infrastructure that is suitable both for academic as well as co-curricular and extracurricular and outdoor games. This institution is one of its kind, and it's located in sylvan settings in the heart of Hyderabad, that is the Jubilee Hills. We are privileged to host every year the foundation course for the All India Civil Services, especially from the Indian Forest Service, Indian Economic Service, Indian Statistical Services, and other host of allied services, including Indian Revenue Service and the Customs Service and other 17 such services. This institute has been conducting foundation courses of various durations, and this foundation course for the All India Civil Service Officers, Allied Services, is for a duration of 15 weeks and includes various academic, co-curricular, extracurricular and outdoor inputs. This institution has provided the needed academic environment and training facility to the budding civil servants. As a part of our course, we have been inviting reputed speakers, bureaucrats, civil society representatives, members of the NGOs, faculties from the various parts of the country, especially from the IIM, IIT, and the Indian School of Business. We have been providing to the officer trainees exposure in areas of political economy and management, behavioral sciences, basic economics, information and communication, technology, Indian history, and exposure in various Indian languages and foreign languages. This institution prepares the budding civil servants to be good administrators, to be more responsible administrators, to be smart administrators, to ensure that they are fully equipped with the needed administrative skills to discharge their responsibilities. This institute has recognized the need for ethics and values amongst today's civil servants, and accordingly, a lot of emphasis is given in the various training courses. The officer trainees as well as those trainees who come to the institution are exposed to the realities of the need for ethics, strong ethics and values in administration. We have also taught them on the various vigilance procedures, anti-corruption measures, because today's civil servant unfortunately has come into certain disrepute because of certain acts of misdemeanor. So we wanted to cultivate the right values so that the civil servant is equipped with the needed skills and the needed sensitivity towards the needs of the society. So overall, we develop the civil servant in this institute into, apart from a perfect gentleman, an officer gentleman, we also equip him with the needed tools and the attitudes so that he develops into a responsible civil servant. So the entire focus of the MCHRD has been to how to ensure that the civil servants and other officers who come to us are really trained properly in the basics of administration, responsible administration, the governance, transparency in administration. They're exposed to various academic rigors. We have wonderful outdoor facility. We can boast of almost world-class facility which is available in this institute. So MCHRDI is the right institute for training, not only for the training needs of the government, but also various other sponsored training programs are also done in our campus.